Hello everyone, my name is Valdirant Tahir. I'm a technical analyst for BeInCrypto. Today we're going to talk about Cosmos or Atom, however we want to call it, which is an altcoin that has nearly reached a new all-time high, and I believe it will continue increasing in the near future. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into Atom. So as you can see, the token has broken out from a relatively short-term descending resistance line, and afterwards it validated the support. Now this could have potentially been some sort of wedge, but I mean, since the end result is the same, I don't think it really matters as the exact pattern. Another interesting development is the fact that the bounce occurred very close to the 0.618 retracement support level. So as you can see right here, it consolidated for a short period of time. Actually, not as short, so roughly a month at this 22 horizontal level, fib level, and then eventually it bounced and continued moving upwards. So another bullish development is the reclaim of this 32 horizontal area here. So as you can see, the area had acted as resistance previously and is now expected to act as support. It also was the 0.5 retracement resistance level. So yeah, basically to summarize the price action on the daily, we had this sort of consolidation here, followed by a significant upward movement, a retest of this line of support, and then a reclaim of this 32 area, which was previously a very crucial resistance area. Now, indicators are also bullish. As you can see, we have let me just clean up everything. So the MACD has crossed into positive territory and the RSI is very close to moving above 70. So the previous time the MACD crossed into positive territory was right here. So prior to a very significant upward movement, which led to the all-time high price, so like 234% decrease from the time that the MACD crossed into positive territory. And also the RSI is nearly moving above 70. So as you can see right here, so the previous time both these two indicators gave these signals was right here in August 2021, as right prior to the upward movement leading to a new all-time high. Now, if we try and do some sort of a wave count here, so what I'm seeing is that I'm not sure about the correct count, but so my initial idea for the count was something like this. So we had the first upward movement, and then eventually we had the third one, and now we had the fifth one here. But when we look at this portion of an upward of the movement here, so this decrease right here, now that really looks like a ABC structure. So it's likely that wave 5 extended and Atom is continuing its upward movement now, because as you can see from the overlap here, so the low of wave A and then the subsequent reclaim of that area, this is likely to be a corrective structure and not a bearish impulse to the downside. So if we go back to that count, my most likely count would be something like this, in which wave 5 extended. So either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not sure. Now, as we try and search for potential targets, so the 1.61 of this downward movement here is right at the 60 level here. Also, if we measure this increase here and project it to the low here, we get a very similar target, so between 57 and 60. And finally, if we measure the entire upward movement from the March 20 low to right here, the May high, so from here to here, and then we use the 1.61 of that, actually we get a slightly higher target. So yeah, never mind that. But in general, we have a confluence of levels from two Fib levels, which give a target between 57 and 60. So everyone, that was the video for today, and I will see you on next Monday's video. Bye.